Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair and a new gadget. So let me show you this. This is from WIG Secure and Crystal WIG Secure. And so it's a wig grip that has silicone that will go next to my head, apart, and then Velcro adjusters. And the outside is velvet, so this keeps the wig from moving. So let's try her on. We're gonna try on some new wigs. So we're gonna put the part where I like it, and a little kung fu action, right? Tighten it up, but not too tight. You'll get a headache. So let's move this back to my hairline, or where I like my hairline to be, which is about there. You usually see me in a full wig grip, so I don't have hair coming back. But we're gonna try this today. So I have a new wig from Gabor in Gabor's new selection, and these are new styles. And I'm so honored to be able to try them on and review them and show you. So this has an open wefted cap. It will fit really nice. Has great little secure or tabs to adjust, just like we normally see in wigs. And then this wig has all this free parting space, probably from about temple to temple. And then this is all lace front. Move my hand out of the way. We can already see she's longer, and she's in one of my favorite colors, shaded biscuit. So very excited. We're gonna shake her out. She's been in the box. I keep getting hair on me. All right, so we're gonna put our forehead in. And basically what I do is I always look for the tag. The tag goes in the back, goes right down here at the nape of my neck. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If you have longer hair, this may come back. So we have to be mindful that this has to go back underneath the wig. Otherwise it will stick out and we won't know where it's coming from, or we might not guess that it's our own hair. If you don't have hair, then that part you don't have to worry about, obviously. But be mindful if you're wearing just a wig grip like this, that you've got to be mindful of all the other hair, that where does it go? So make sure it's back there. Excuse me. All right, so we put our forehead in and flip up. All right. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. And what I like to do first is hold on to the wig, the ear tabs, and they feel like wires on either side, and put those at your temples. And then what I like to do first is grab a comb and gently break the part, or part the hair where you want it. So I typically have my part on this side, which is my left side. Now, if I wanted to part it on the right side, I certainly can. You can see here that I can part it wherever I want to part it. Now, let's go back to the side I like. It just feels more normal. Okay. And I'm just gonna barely comb through. I don't want to really disrupt these waves, these curls. I like them a lot. Look at this tone. Okay, and so we're gonna make sure that the hair is against my forehead. But you can see here, it looks like it's just coming out of my scalp, right? And I like to say to, especially new wig wearers, if somebody's up this close in your business, they're not thinking about your hairline. But for this purpose, we can look in there, and look, you can see it just looks like my scalp as I comb through it, right? So the big thing is making sure that these sides of the wig grip are tucked underneath the side of the hair. All right, so let's put a fresh part in. Make sure she's on all the way. This is Alluring Locks. So pretty. She's longer than the first one I put on earlier when you look at part one. So what I like to do, because normally I have pretty thin, fine hair myself. So if it's big here, it feels unusual to me. So I kind of comb this part down, and I will use my empty smooth bottle. Smooth is what I use to detangle the longer wigs, and it works great. Get it from wigs.com. When it's empty, I fill it with water and mark it so that I know it's water. And then I use this just to smooth it out, make it tamer, take down this volume in here. Because if it's too heavy right in the crown of my natural hair, I just feel like it's not as realistic or as comfortable. So this is what I do. She's beautiful. Love, love. And then I like to always put one behind my ear like this. I love the shaded root. Now I learned that not all gals like shaded roots, which is okay. You know, that's the nice thing about wigs is you can get shaded root, which means that you can see the root is darker. So if you got this color in Biscuit, which is this is shaded Biscuit. In Biscuit, this would be this color all the way to the root, so it wouldn't look like I need to have my roots done. So let's see the back. There's the front. Go to the back. All the way around. Oh, I love her. I love wearing long hair. So, shaded Biscuit, Alluring Locks. Would love your thoughts. And this, you know, this one we could clip. We could put in a ponytail. Nice low pony. Probably you could do a high pony. For the things I do, I'd probably wear a low pony with maybe with a bow for fancy times. Otherwise, just kind of cash. Hope that's helpful. Cheers.